Okay, so for the last two test methods, we have X-ray diffraction and we have scanning electron microscope. So for X-ray diffraction is a non-destructive method of analysis because it is like the X-ray for the solid substances, especially for crystalline samples. Okay, so for example, no need for chemical testing of unknown drugs. So we can use X-ray diffraction to analyze, okay, the collected drug samples in the crime scene. So it is also called a fingerprint method of microanalysis. Okay, so it doesn't require a lot of the evidence and micro, syempre, konti lang and we can easily identify the sample. So here, dito ilalagay yung ating sample. Yan. And then last but not the least is the scanning electron microscope. So for the scanning electron microscope, it uses electron to form an image, okay, and allows large amount of sample to be focused at one time. So it's like a specialized microscope. Yeah, and scanning electron because we can look not only at molecular level but for atomic level. Okay, so for scanning electron microscope, it will allow you to identify both the characteristic shape, okay, for example sa gunshot residue, makikita natin yung pattern, makikita natin yung distribution, yung attachment doon sa clothing. And not only gunshot residue, we can also find, okay, those attached evidences. It can be trace evidences or body fluids that is not visible in the naked eye. Okay, so scanning electron microscope is also used for elemental composition of individual particles. Yan. So, pag sinabi natin individual particles, pwede pong isotopic. Okay? So, pwede makita yung difference between hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 2 or for microbiology laboratories, diba? Yung the same microorganisms. Okay? So, yan po ang ating scanning electron microscope. What's beautiful with scanning electron microscope is that we can record, we can easily take photograph, madali nating i-zoom using the computer na attached doon sa equipment. Hindi siya katulad ng conventional microscope, light microscope, na yung mismong equipment yung ina-adjust mo. In here, yung computer na attach na po doon sa equipment. Okay? So, that's all for Unit 2. Later, we will discuss sampling and handling techniques. So, God bless and stay safe.